Okay, so I've been working with these Esp32 cam modules for a while, and I see there are a lot of errors. Something like this, a fatal error occurred when you try to upload the code to them. So I'm using the simple Arduino IDE for now. So I've seen a simple solution to this. Okay, so what most of the tutorials say is that you have to connect the GPIO 0 to ground. Okay, so here it is, GPIO 0 to ground. You have to connect these two pins. But we connect them like if we do here, and we try to upload the code, and it's compiling the code. By the way, I'm using a free, just a simple sketch, nothing fancy. We can try to upload the camera sketch, but it's a hassle, and we'll try it in some other video. So it's compiling the code, and in the meanwhile, I'll try to explain the wiring. Okay, so the wiring is you have to be very careful about this. So the transmit pin of the ESP has to be connected to the receive pin of the ftdi, and the receive pin of this is to be connected to the transmit pin of the ftdi. Okay, so you have to invert these. Now you see the error is here. Okay, again, the wiring. Yes, you have to connect the 5-volt pins on the ESP to the 5-volt of the ftdi and the ground to the ground. Okay, so this is the wiring, and still the error. Now, how do you solve this? Okay, so I've seen in practice people connect this, and then you connect the GPIO 0 to ground. That won't work. Okay, so you have to unplug your board. Okay, so it's not connected. Then, and by the way, this is just mail headers, and I've put some solder on top of this and some hot glue. Now what you do is you connect these two, GPIO 0 to ground, before powering up the board. Okay, so you connect these, you connect the GPIO to 0 to ground, then you power this, and hopefully when you flash this, it will run. Okay, so let me show you a few more settings. You go to the tools and just select DI Thinkerboard. Even if you select the ESP32 dev module, it will still work. But select the EI Thinker module for the camera sketch that you will want to run. And sometimes the camera doesn't work. In the partition scheme, you have to select a huge app because it's camera. It requires a lot of buffer, and that's kind of the basic setting. PSRAM is by default enabled, so you don't have to do. So you see, the sketch is in uploading, and it's been uploaded to the ESP32 cam. So a simple trick, and sometimes even if the code is uploaded, it doesn't work. The camera isn't working, so you just have to change this camera module on top of this. So you kind of have to power this open. Yeah, is it opened? Yes. And this camera, you get another module prior to its camera connected here, and that will solve the issue. But most of the times, it's this GPIO error, and now you know how to solve it. Thank you.